Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win. White is winning despite these two traits. So the thing you need to pay attention in this position is the queen is going to just checkmate the black king on a8 if we don't careful, right? And our rook is being attacked, so we have to move the only move to win the game. So pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So in this position you may just try to save your rook, to defend your rook by playing rook to f7, but that doesn't help you because black would just play queen to a8 and that is going to be just checkmate. So the white king is checkmated and it's kind of a back rank checkmate, right? So that is the idea. So if you try to save this rook, it would be just going to be checkmate. And if you may play king to d8, but black would just capture your rook. So what do? You don't have any follow-up. Well, in this position you have to play the only winning move, and that is rook to a5, sacrificing the rook. So the idea is, if the queen captures the rook, we are going to play rook to h6, and notice we are forcing the black king to move to the 5th rank, which makes the king lined up with the queen, and we are going to win the queen. So that is our idea. So in this position the queen cannot take the rook, so the queen must move somewhere. The queen must move somewhere, like this move, it doesn't matter. But here we are going to play rook to h6, and this is just checkmate, right? So the pieces are really well coordinating and the black king has nowhere to escape. So for this reason black has to deal with this checkmate, right? So black were threatening checkmate on a8, we play rook to a5, preventing that checkmate and creating a counter threat for black. So black has to defend that, and black may just play rook to queen to c1, defending the h6 square, which is no longer available for the rook to land on that specific square. So what do we do in this position? What do you think the best move? Okay, well, the best move is playing rook to h6 anyway. So it's a checkmate, it's nearly checkmate, but now the queen has to take this. That is the only move available, so it would make the queen and the king lined up perfectly at the 6th rank, which is going to be very easy for us to win the queen. So this is the whole puzzle, and black has no check, black has nothing to do in this position. We are going to win the queen on the next move, and black's best move is actually to play queen to c1, and this is going to be winning, right? A rook and a king against a long king is easily winnable, right? So that is the solution of the puzzle. So guys, make sure to subscribe, to like the video and share with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.